I'm going to show you how to make a really good oven roasted version of your favorite Peruvian style chicken. We're going to start with making the marinade, then we'll marinate the chicken overnight, and then I'll show you how to roast it, and make sure you stay till the end because we're gonna make a really yummy cilantro jalapeno green sauce that will really take the flavor to the next level. First, before we get started, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button to help support our small channel. And we posted the full recipe in the description below, so feel free to reference it at any time during the video. We're meal prepping for the week, so we're making 2 chickens, but I'll give you the recipe for 1 chicken and you can scale it according to your needs. Start by combining your marinade ingredients into a small bowl. You'll need 3 tablespoons of olive oil, juice about 2 limes to get a 1/4 cup of lime juice, and then finely chop 4 cloves of garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of paprika. We're doing a blend of smoked paprika and regular paprika for extra flavor. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and if you want, for some extra sweetness, you can add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Stir to mix. You can also mix this in a food processor to make sure it's blended really well. Next, get your chicken, pat it dry with paper towels, and then you'll spoon the marinade evenly all over. Now this part's kind of gnarly, but the secret to extra flavor is to spoon some of the marinade underneath the skin. Now next, cover your chicken and place it back in the fridge for at least 6 hours, or you can go overnight. This time is really important to ensure proper brining with the marinade so you don't miss out on any of the flavor. Once marinated for the proper time, you can take your chicken out and allow it to sit for 30 minutes while you preheat the oven to 415 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll then place your chicken in the oven for 45 minutes, but about 20 minutes in, go ahead and turn the heat down to 375 degrees Fahrenheit so it doesn't burn. Then after 45 minutes, take your chicken out, turn it over, baste it, and then you're gonna roast it on the other side for 45 more minutes. This helps to make sure both sides are crispy and flavorful. After a total cook time of 1.5 hours, remove the chicken from the oven and check to ensure the internal temperature has reached 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you can let it rest for about 20 minutes before serving. Now we're ready to make our green sauce. Gather your ingredients and you'll need a food processor. If you want your sauce to be less spicy, you can remove some or all of the seeds from your jalapenos. Then add your 3 chopped jalapenos, a cup of fresh cilantro, 2 chopped cloves of garlic, a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. I recommend using avocado mayo, it's a little healthier. Add a splash of distilled vinegar, the juice of 1 lime, it's about 1 tablespoon, and then a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix these ingredients and then add your 2 tablespoons of olive oil at the end and blend until smooth. Transfer to a bowl and refrigerate until you're ready to serve. We're serving our chicken with roasted sweet potatoes and sauteed Swiss chard. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let us know in the comments how you liked the recipe. Thanks for watching.